Bird and Kip, episode 47. Bird flies south. Winter won't be fun without Bird, thought Kip. I will write a note to her. Dear Bird, please don't go. Sledding won't be fun without you, and skating won't be fun either. Your friend Kip. I'm sorry, Kip, said Bird, but I have to fly south. It's what birds do. Kip sang a song. Kip sang a song to Bird. Oh, Bird, Bird, I wish that you'd stay. We could play in the snow every day. I'm sorry, Kip, said Bird, but I have to fly south. It's what birds do. Bird was getting ready to leave. I have something for you, said Kip. It's my lucky acorn. Ah, said Bird. Thank you, Kip. It will remind me of you. I'll see you in the spring, said Kip. Have a great winter, said Bird. Bird took off and flew south. Kip waved goodbye.